just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, well, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a d, but I never get feelings for shorty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Another video, man. As you guys can see, I'm wearing the same outfit, guys, because I'm out here grinding for y'all, man. But we got a new mod on the Crossfire. I wanted to show you guys what I did with it. It's got a new look to the front, so not really the front area, but I mean it's a new look. So y'all just stay tuned, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I did, man. All right, man, so we have, in fact, brand new LED lights, 6K, real bright white. Looks really nice, man. And I ordered these from eBay, just in case if you guys ask. I did get these from eBay, and I love them. They look pretty good. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be more brighter at night. That's the look I was going for, guys. And yeah, man, new look, man. So let me walk around the car just in case if you guys are new stopping in and you haven't seen my channel yet. This is my 2008 Chrysler Crossfire. I've changed many things up since previous videos. I've upgraded the tire stickers. I went with the yellow and black scheme. Yellow and black stickers for my YouTube and Instagram. Make sure you follow me on both social medias. And yeah, this is my Crossfire, man. Wing up, matte black. I did paint this car with plastic dip, guys. So I had it painted for about maybe 3 years now, so it's due for another paint job. As you guys can see, I got little flaws, paint starting to peel off a little bit. So yeah, it's time to get it repainted, so we're gonna do that. Gotta order the paint, and then yeah, we're gonna start the paint process, man. This is my 1996 Chevy S10 that I'm currently building on. I did a dashboard swap. I'm not gonna show y'all in this video. I want y'all to go back and check out the old videos. Matter of fact, I will have a link up here somewhere so y'all guys can check out that video. But like I said, I won't be showing y'all the inside of that out of this video. And also we have, I'm not gonna show y'all that either yet. So that's for a different video. But yeah, so far, man, this car is looking pretty good. One thing I haven't showed y'all is the interior. I did change it up a lot. I got carbon fiber trim pieces in the interior, real carbon fiber at that. It ain't no fake junk, you know what I'm saying? We got real carbon fiber. The weave pattern is all the same, guys. I did pay a lot for this package. Now, I did order from eBay, but it is real carbon fiber, guys, so don't say it's not. But we did put a 10-inch screen in here, which I don't like because I feel like it's too big for the car. So I will be taking that out, and then we will be going with a 7-inch screen, navigation and all that. I just wanted something that had navigation, guys. So like I said, I will be changing that out here pretty soon. But overall, the car is looking better than what it was. Like I said, I can't wait to paint this car. It's gonna look a whole lot better. I will be going with the gloss finish this time instead of the matte. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I got a lot of videos coming, man, and updates for you guys. But yeah, this is the new mod for the car, man. Like I said, it's a 6K bright white color. That's the color that I wanted to go with. I didn't want to go with the blue color because I didn't want to make it look too blue and not see at night. So yeah, man, it's looking pretty good. But we finna give the car a bath real quick, and then I will show y'all how the car looks afterwards. So y'all just stay tuned, man. All right, guys, so we back, man. We finally got everything cleaned up, guys. Now, I went on ahead, put the fender flares on, guys, because I wanted to see what it was gonna look like again on the car. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'll put it up here. So yeah, I just want to see what you guys think about the fender flares being on this car, man. I wanted to go with a different look. They not on permanently, guys. I just got them set up just to see how it's gonna turn out on the car. But man, y'all let me know in the comments. Let me know how I look. Like I said, I just got this side put on. It's not all the way on, so we'll go on this other side so I can show you how the other side look. Like I said, this side looks regular with no fender flares. So y'all can get an idea on how the other side will look. But yeah, let's go back on the other side so you guys can check it out. And yeah, so y'all let me know in the comments, man. Should I just take them off, leave them off, or put them on? If I put them on, I definitely got to go and get some more 3M tape, because the one that came with it is not that strong, so I will have to change it out. The only reason why I didn't put these on before, guys, is because in the back, as you guys can see, that I would have to get a spacer to make it look kind of flush with the fender flare. But I didn't want to do that because, as you guys know, if I go with a bigger spacer, I'll get a lot of wheel shake, guys. So I didn't want to do that. But like I say, y'all drop a comment down below. It don't look bad like that. I can just deal with it like that. I just wanted to, you know, cover up the little wheel gap that I have. But like I said, y'all drop a comment down below, let me know. And as far as the video, guys, this is gonna be it. I just wanted to show y'all how the car looks recent. And yeah, so that's the way it's gonna look, guys. But other than that, man, y'all drop a comment down below. Let your boy know about the build and everything. And yeah, it's your boy King's Life checking out with another video, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all stay safe out there. Keep grinding. Stay positive. And yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.